Good morning, everyone. And today I am back with a company which is a leader in the broadcasting space in the media industry, that is Sun TV. The company which has a strong presence in the southern part of India, all the four states, is looking quite attractive at these levels. First of all, let me tell you that a brief introduction of Q4 results, as in we saw that the advertising revenues saw a deceleration of about 20 odd percent, and at the same time, the subscription revenues saw a growth to the tune of about 25%. Now, in Q1, we can say that a similar trend will be observed because of the weakness in the economy. The advertising revenues will fall even more because of the lockdown that had happened in the first 1.5 months of the quarter. Also, we have seen that, however, there is a massive growth in the viewership market share of Sun TV in Q1. In the Tamil markets, it has reached about 50%, and in Kerala and AP Telangana markets, it has gained market share to the tune of about 7 to 8%. In Karnataka markets, Sun TV's Udaya channel gained its number one spot once again. And thanks to the movie library that Sun TV is having over the years, it has accumulated huge library of movies, and it is in this inventory they are actually channelizing and monetizing in the current lockdown situation. And going forward with new content coming up, Sun TV has started programming of new content on all of its channels except Tamil, which is expected to start from the 27th of this month. And with the new content and the new movie releases expected in Q2 and Q3, the company is expected to continue its market share gain on the viewership side. However, there will be a steep competition from Star and Z, who lacked in the movie database in the lockdown period, and that's why they have lost this market share. There will be a definite try from these two companies to gain back their lost market share. But I think that Sun TV, with a strong presence and a great business on the advertising as well as the content side, mainly on the fiction and fiction side, I think that the company will be well positioned to take on this competition head on. And movies, on the movies side, I would say that the company has got a great inventory, which I have already mentioned that they channelized and monetized in the first quarter. Going forward, they are expecting some good releases as well. And IPL business, I think this year it will be almost zero. Only positive ray of hope is that in case it happens in the second quarter or third quarter, then some sort of boost it will be giving to the bottom line. We are expecting about 2 billion boost to the PBT coming from this business, if at all it happens. On the subscription revenues, it's a fantastic business that the company is having, and with its widespread network and a deep penetration in the southern markets, and the success of its OTT platform Sun Next, we are expecting subscription revenues to continue its current trend of posting about 20 to 25% growth in the next 1 or 2 quarters. And in FY21, we are expecting it to post about 20% growth. In FY22, it may, on a higher base, it may come down to about 15 odd percent. So the profitability, I think, which was quite strong in Q4, will continue to be in Q1 because of the absence of cost of programming, as well as the depreciation and amortization of movies. Going forward, those costs will move up, and the margins may come down a bit to 68 odd percent from 70%, which we observed in Q4 of last year. So on and on, I think with a cash-rich company, strong dividend payer, and reduction in the pledge of the promoters has definitely given a strong leeway, a strong boost to the overall performance of the company. And with quite cheap valuations at about 380 odd rupees, I think this is a very strong bet in the media space. And with interest coming off from Z Entertainment, I think that it is one of the best players in the media space and the best broadcaster that we can see at this point in time. So I think one can accumulate Sun TV at these levels with a target close to about 500 rupees over the next 1 year. Thank you.